Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious caldo de pollo con arroz. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. For this recipe we're going to need 4 pounds of chicken, 1 cup of white rice, 3 celery stalks, 1 cup of baby carrots, half a cup of tomato sauce, 3 Roma tomatoes, 1 small onion, 2 garlic cloves, chopped cilantro, and our spices that will be listed in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by patting dry our chicken. Okay, make sure that it is dry on both sides. And while we have it, we're just going to create a few slits on our chicken. And I'm using a combination of drumsticks and chicken breast. But of course, you can always use your choice of chicken. So once we have our chicken nice and slit, we're going to be coating it with salt and black pepper. Okay, and once we have seasoned our chicken, now we can get ready to take it to the stove. And to our pot over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. And once that oil is nice and hot, we're going to place our chicken. And we're just going to be searing it for 2 minutes. And so after 2 minutes per side, our chicken should be nice and seared. So we're just going to remove it from the pot. And just repeat the same process to the rest of the chicken. Alright, so once we have seared our chicken and removed it from the pot, now we're going to add 10 cups of water. And we're just going to bring it to a boil. Okay, and once it comes to a boil, return the chicken back to the pot. And here we're going to be skimming the top layer of the broth just to remove all of the oil. Alright, so as we have removed the top layer of our broth, here we're going to add our half an onion. Along with the 2 bay leaves, we're going to reduce the heat to medium, cover it and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. So here we're just going to remove it from the broth. And because I'm going to shred my chicken breast, just make sure to remove it along with the onion and bay leaves. And as for our broth, we're going to be reserving 2 cups because this is what we're going to use to make our tomato sauce. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our tomato sauce. Okay, now to the blender cup, add your 3 Roma tomatoes, half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, the tomato sauce, along with the chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, so once we have that, we can take it back to the pot. Alright, now return it back to the pot. We're going to add our tomato sauce. And here I'm also going to be seasoning with a little bit of salt. And now we're just going to allow it to come to a boil. Alright guys, and once it comes to a boil, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And now we're just going to be adding our carrots and celery, along with our uncooked rice. So we're just going to give it a mix, cover it, and allow that to cook for 15 minutes. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, our rice and vegetables should be cooked. Of course, make sure that you check them. But now here, we're going to return our chicken. And I just shredded my chicken breast. So now we can just throw it all back in. And here I'm also going to be adding my cilantro. But now we're just going to give it 5 minutes. And then our delicious caldo de pollo con arroz is done. So we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now of course I like to squeeze a little lime juice on my caldito. And I like to serve it with corn tortillas and of course mi salsa de molcajete. Just because I like to spice it up. But let me tell you that this is the season for this delicious caldito. It's seriously super easy to make and it's so perfect. So I am so ready. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Ay, me estoy quemando. Hold on. Okay. Cheers and enjoy. It always takes me back to home. This was one of my mom's favorite dishes that she used to love making. It's honestly so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious caldo de pollo con arroz. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.